Yes. Simplify this question. In this, you will multiply x with the two terms. 2y will be multiplied with these two terms, and x square will be multiplied with these two terms. Be careful about the sign. Actually, this first term is having positive sign, last term is having positive sign, but in the center you have negative. So be careful about this negative sign. So whenever you will open the bracket, the sign will change inside the bracket. So after multiplication, you will remove the bracket. Okay. Start this. Start this, hurry up. Yes, what's the answer of the first question? X square, 3x square. That's it. So this is the answer of your first question. Solve it and check whether you are getting same answer or not. Yes, Sahil, how you will solve the second question? Kamar Noor. Second question, factorize. Which method you are talking about? Firstly, you are speaking multiply first term with the last term. In which method? And this method is known as, आपके टेस्ट में फुल मार्क्स थे ना 20? तो ये इसी बार तो था टेस्ट में, था ना फैक्टराइज? इस बार टेस्ट में फैक्टराइज का क्वेश्चन था? नहीं था. Yes, in this question you will use middle term splitting method, in which you will multiply first term with the last term, and on multiplication you will get 42. Make the factors of 42. 6 sevens are 42, and 6 plus 7 will give you 30. So split this term into two parts. So you will write 2x square same, and 13x will be written as 6x plus 7x plus 20. So take common from the two pairs. Solve this and tell me the answer. Hurry up. Yes, Dhruv. How you will solve this third question? Third question. Ayan, bolo ye question. Vanshika. Which one? What is A here? X square is x square, that is a square minus b. B is 8y whole square. Whenever you are using identity, make sure that you are having perfect square term, and always write the perfect square term in the bracket. This is your a square minus b square. This is a, this is b. Answer will become a plus b, a minus b. So this is your answer. A plus b, a minus b. Now, next, Brahman, yes, probability of face card. How many face cards are there? So answer, yes, what is the formula for probability? Yes, firstly you will write the formula, then total outcomes are, actually total cards are 52, so your total outcome is 52. Black card, yes, Gurjaf, how many black cards are there? 26, so answer will be 26 by 52, that is 1 by 2. You have to cancel out the term. Next is red queen. Yes, Lovelina. How many queens are there? Total queen. Total queen. And out of 4, 2 are black, 2 are red. The probability of red will be 2 by 52. That is 1 by 26. 26. 7 of heart. Yes, Milan. 1 by 52. Actually, total 13 cards are there in the heart. And out of those 13, 1 will be of 7 number card. So probability will be 1 by 52. Red king. Yes. Answer is 2 by 52. Black face card. Yes. Actually, total 12 face cards are there. Out of 12, 6 are black, 6 are red. So answer will be 6 by 52. Cancel it out. Answer will be 3 by 26. Yes, question number 5, first part. 5a square whole raised to power 3. Now in this, how you will solve? Firstly, you will open the bracket. It will be 5 raised to power 3 and a raised to power 6. 3 2s are 6. Which law we have used? A raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power mn. So multiply the power. So this is 5 cube a raised to power 6 and 5 cube is, what is 5 cube? So answer is 125 a raised to power 6. Got it? Next, in case of negative power, what you will do? Reciprocal of 1 by 6 is 6 by 1 raised to power 2. 1 by 7 reciprocal is, yes, why we are making the reciprocal? Power negative. If power is positive, then no change will be there. You will write it as 1 by 7. But negative is there. Make the reciprocal of 1 by 7. It will be 7 by 1 raised to power 1. This is 2 by 1 and 2 by 1 will become raised to power 1. Solve this and tell me the answer. Hurry up. Yes, question number 5, B part I am solving. 6 square, 7 by 1 and the next is 1 by 2. So only 1 by 2, na? Okay. Now 6 square is 36 plus 7 plus half. 36 plus 7, 43. You all have added it before or you have taken direct LCM? Add it first to reduce the question. This is 43 plus 1 by 2. Take LCM, 86 plus 1, 87 by 2 is the answer. Got it? Now start the next question. In the next question, you have to draw a pentagonal pyramid and write the faces, vertices and edges for that. How you will draw pentagon? How many sides are there for the pentagon? 5. So draw a pentagon in the base. In case of pyramid, you always have one common vertex. You will take one vertex here, join this. This is your pentagonal pyramid. Count the faces, vertices and edges. Faces 6. Actually, you also have learned the formula. N plus 1, N plus 1 and this is your 2. And number of sides pentagon is having is 5. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6, 5, 2s are 10. And you can also verify Euler's formula. What is Euler's formula? F plus V is equal to E plus 2. So if you want to verify, you can verify the formula. Question number 7, the standard form of this is 1.6 into 10 raised to power. And the usual form of this is 10001 000. Got it? Is it correct? Anyone whose answer is wrong? Any doubt in these two parts? Clear? Start the next question. Find the sum of additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of 5. Yes, Dhruv. Additive inverse of 5 is? Additive inverse of 5. बोलो आप. Heaven. 5. Laksh. As it is clear from the name. हाँ जी. Additive inverse. Add का reverse. क्या होता है add का? -5. Additive inverse of 5 is -5. And multiplicative inverse of 5 is 1/5. Find their sum. Firstly, write the additive inverse, then write the multiplicative inverse, then find the sum. So, -5 plus 1/5 will give you -24/5. Yes, how we have added these terms? By LCM. Don't add them directly. That will be wrong. Draw histogram. Yes, histogram will be drawn in case of when class intervals are given. Data is in the form of class interval. So draw the class interval on your x-axis and number of workers will be taken on. Can you tell me the another name for number of workers? It is also called, ये width है इसकी जो gap है. Number of workers, frequency. Number of workers are called frequency. Means how many times the thing is repeating. So 15 workers are having their wages, salary. Salary is wage. Wage means, can you tell me the difference? Daily income. Salary is on the monthly basis, but wage is on the daily basis. So 15 workers are getting their payment daily in between these two. Means one maybe 815, 820, 830. Their wage can be lie between them. हाँ जी. तो ये क्या है? Number of workers are also called frequency. Got it? And this is your class interval, and the different. This is the lower limit. 800 is the lower limit. 850 is the upper limit, and the difference of these two is called class size. And the another name of class size is class width. Width means कितना broad है. तो ये कितना broad है? 50 broad है. इसके बीच का gap कितना? 50. So 50 is the class size, 50 is the class width, 800 is the lower limit, 850 is the upper limit. Got it? So draw the histogram for this. Draw wages on the x-axis, workers on the y-axis. Have you drawn the histogram? Yes, ma'am. What is the probability for the green ball? Firstly, you will write total outcomes. Total outcomes are 5 plus 6 plus 4, that is 15. So total outcomes you will write as 15. Then you will write formula for the probability, number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Then you will write probability of green ball. Green balls are 6 upon total 2/5. Yes, what is the probability of blue ball? 4/15. Red ball 5/15. Then cancel it out. Now listen, one more question. What is the probability of non-green ball? Non-green ball. Green नहीं चाहिए, क्या चाहिए? Means except green, you can have any other ball. 9/15, 3/5. Got it? Find the central angle for the following. Wheat 75, sugar cane 27, rice 60, cereals 36, and pulses, that is 80. You have to find the central angle. Yes, listen. As you all know that if 10% term is given to you, if you want to remove this percentage sign, then it will be divided by 100. If you want to remove anything, you will divide that by that number. If you want to add anything, then you will be multiplied with that number. Now in this case, simple numbers are given. You have to convert this into degree. You want to convert this into degree. And the total of the degree is 360. Now you want to add degree. So you will multiply by 360 or you will divide by 360. Multiply by 360. Whenever you want to remove something, you will divide that number. If you want to remove percentage sign, then you will divide by 100. If you want to add percentage sign, then you will multiply it by 100. Now here we want to add degree. Degree means total is 360. So 75 upon total of this is, what's the total of this? 236. 236 into 360. अगर आपने डिग्री को रिमूव करना है, then you will divide it by 360, and if you want to add degree, you will multiply it with 360. And the total of all these terms I have written as 236. Please check the total, cancel it out, and you will get the answer in degree. Then in the same manner, you will find the degrees for the sugar cane, then respectively for each term. Hurry up, find the central angle for each. After cancellation, we are getting 5 by 3 common. So you will multiply each number with 5 by 3. 27 with 5 by 3, then 60 with 5 by 3, then you will get answer. First degree is your 125. Next, when you cancel it out, 9 5s are 45 degree. Next, when you cancel it out, you will get 100 degree. Next is 36 into 5 by 3, that is 60 degree. Next is 18 into 5 by 3, that is 30 degree. Check your answers.